India's billion-dollar tech industry is benefiting from rising demand for digital services as the coronavirus pandemic hastens the global shift towards automation. Atmanirbhar Bharat provides a truly watershed moment in our history to ignite the innovative entrepreneurial spirit of New India. Rehant Technologies and International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials, Hyderabad, have jointly developed Kriti Scan UV baggage disinfection system for hotels, commercials and private complexes, airports, terminals and railway station for the disinfection of the baggages. This advanced baggage disinfecting system has a specially designed motorized conveyor to guide all sort of baggages into the disinfection tunnel, which uses short wavelength ultraviolet light to inactivate microbes and viruses by destroying their membrane and inner nucleic acids, leaving them unable to perform vital cellular functions. Developed with the technical consultancy from IIT Bombay and made in India, Kriti Scan UV comes with ergonomic design with safety features to prevent UVC coming out of the tunnel.
The idea was to develop indigenous technologies in India in the areas of security surveillance and smart cities. Most of our solutions are AI and ML driven technologies. Our business segments are security surveillance, where we have X-ray baggage scanners, we have under vehicle scanning systems, and in smart cities we have number plate reading systems, speed enforcement systems, red light violation systems. For X-ray we have, for example, 25% market share in India now over a period of last 5 years. For under vehicle scanners we have close to about 70% market share. For smart cities we have done 25 smart cities across India, where we have deployed our number plate reading systems and enforcement solutions. Around February, we started developing two different solutions for fighting the COVID. First one was a temperature screening system using thermal cameras. So we were using thermal cameras for traffic detections, but then we kind of modified those for temperature screening. So we are able to do a temperature screening using a thermal camera in real time. It's a completely made in India product. We have already deployed close to about 25 systems in railways, space centers, private places. The other product we have been working on is actually in conjunction with the X-ray machine, which is actually a Kriti Scan UV, which is a ultraviolet based disinfection tunnel for baggages, which can be used before the X-rays, where we have already deployed. Now the idea is to screen and disinfect the baggages before they enter the X-ray. So that's another product we have launched 10 days back, and we have picked up a large export order from Philippines. Railway stations where there is a mass transport of people and you want to scan quickly. So Kriti Scan UV provides an opportunity where we can disinfect a bag in about 8 seconds before you board a train, or if you have come from a train, you actually sanitize your bag before you enter to your home. So that's the beauty of the product. This Make in India program, especially where the definition of local supply is very clearly defined in 20% or 50%, and there are some tenders which are reserved for local competition only. I think that's a very, very fair program, because we were facing unfair competition. It's not that we are not competent to make a machine. We can make equally good machines at equally good prices. But you know, if there is an unfair competition, you can't fight with a large Chinese company which for example has low raw material cost, free land, very low rate of interest, and their intent is to just capture the market share somehow. So I think if the competition is fair with these local guidelines which have come up, it's going to really help us grab more market share in the Indian market.
The company has also developed an artificial intelligence based thermal and vision camera, Febri, which not only measures forehead temperature but also detects face mask and social distancing violations. It generates an alarm in case of any deviations. It is a thermal screening system for real-time and automated non-intrusive monitoring of temperature of people entering into any premise, be it government building, private complexes, IT parks, hotels, airports, railway stations, bus stations, places of worships, etc., to ensure that person entering doesn't have high fever.
Smart Cities program started about 5 years back, actually 6 years back, and you know, government has already initiated and developed close to about 65 to 70 smart cities. We, for example, have done 25 smart cities for our traffic enforcement and traffic management systems. I believe this push of smart cities using AI ML will really help us develop better cities